In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Ads report in Looker Studio. Whether you're a marketer, a business owner, or anyone interested in analyzing your Google Ads performance, creating a detailed report is crucial for making informed decisions. So, let's dive right into the process and have your report ready in just a few minutes. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Looker Studio. Once you've located their website, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you do not have an account, take a moment to set one up. It's a straightforward process, and you'll be up and running in no time. With Looker Studio open, navigate over to the main dashboard and look for the Create option. Click on that, and you'll see the option to start a new report. Select Report to begin the process of building your Google Ads report. This action will direct you to a new page where you can start bringing in data sources. The next step is to add data to your report. Look to your right, and you'll see the Add Data to Report panel. From here, find the Google Ads connector, which will allow you to link your Google Ads data seamlessly to your new report. Click on the Google Ads connector. It's the gateway for importing your data into Looker Studio. You might need to authorize Looker Studio to access your Google Ads data. When prompted, click Authorize to grant these permissions. This authorization step ensures that your data remains secure while allowing Looker Studio to pull the information it needs to generate your report. It's safe and a necessary step to proceed. After authorizing, you should see a list of your Google Ads accounts. Select the specific account you'd like to analyze. Once selected, click Add and then Add to Report to import this data source into your report. You'll now have all the relevant data lined up for analysis. Next, you'll want to choose how you want your report to be laid out. There are two main options: a responsive layout, which adapts to different screen sizes, or a freeform layout, which remains a fixed size no matter where it's viewed. You can rename your report by clicking on the default Untitled Report for easy identification in the future. With your layout ready, it's time to bring your data to life. Add various visualizations such as scorecards, tables, and charts to give clarity and depth to your report. This step is crucial as it transforms raw data into understandable insights. Don't forget to add a date range control. This useful feature will allow anyone viewing your report to select the specific time period they're interested in, making your report even more versatile and useful. Finally, once your report is fully built and tailored to your liking, you can share it with others. You have the option to invite them to view or even edit the report. Alternatively, you can send them a direct link or embed the report in other web pages for greater visibility. And there you have it, a comprehensive Google Ads report created in Looker Studio. With these simple steps, you can easily monitor and share your advertising performance using data to drive better decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.